Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm about to go ahead and just show you how dry my hair is after I take it from braids, ponytails, all that. I don't wrap my hair up, so I experience a lot of breakage, especially at the top of my hair. So hopefully this regimen is going to get your girl right. You feel me? Because look at that, the trash. So I got this shampoo and conditioner duo from Kroger. It's a repairing shampoo, so hopefully it gets me right. It smells so good too. So I'm just washing my hair thoroughly with the shampoo, and yeah. Sometimes I have a habit of sweating in my sleep. I don't know if I'm running from a monster or what, honey, but I get buildup sometimes. So I like to focus there and really work that scalp, honey. Really break down that residue, you know? I know everybody does this, or if you don't do it now, you did it when you was a kid, so boom. So I'm getting ready to wash this out. I'm actually gonna hold off on using this conditioner because I got something better. It's a hair mask. I'm gonna show you the mask. I'm about to go ahead and wash this out, and then we're gonna apply the mask and get to that shit. So y'all, this is the first time I've ever used a Shea Moisture mask, and I gotta get all of it. You feel me?
So right off, it smells like Play-Doh, which is not bad because I really enjoyed Play-Doh.
Oh, it feels good. Oh, let me take this out.
It's very dry. Can you hear how dry it is?
Crunch, crunch.
Yeah, let me just go ahead and read what this is all about because I'm excited. I'm excited for my journey to healthy hair. I've never used a hair mask before, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna take my hair or how my hair is going to take to it. The deep conditioning mask restores strength and resilience. Resilience? To damaged, brittle, or chemically processed hair. Perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style their hair, as well as kinky, curly, wavy, natural hairstyles. That's all me. All of that is me.
Helps promote natural hair growth for supporting hair's elasticity. No. Elasticity. Okay, I see you.
Reducing the appearance of breakage and shedding. It says reducing the appearance. So I'm assuming that if it's reducing the appearance, hopefully it's really going to reduce it altogether. Does that make sense? I don't know. It has organic shea butter, which deeply moisturizes while conditioning hair and scalp. It also has black Jamaican castor oil loaded with proteins, minerals, and vitamin E for healthy looking hair, and peppermint, which tingles the scalp for an invigorating
experience. So I'm really excited. I know all these ingredients are especially good, so I'm really ready to see what all the hype is about as well, and hopefully it does something for your girl because I'm tired of looking dry. Here we go. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make sure I get it all throughout my hair. But in the meantime, in between time, have you subscribed yet? If not, go ahead. What you waiting on? I'm gonna ask again next video. So just do it now. Go ahead. So I'm not exactly sure how much I was supposed to use. I used a little less than a third of the jar, so I'm assuming maybe I can get a few more hair mask out of it. I tried to coat it evenly, then I was cracking up in my head because I was laying it on like I was laying down a perm. Says sit on your head for 10 to 15 minutes. But I have a problem with following rules, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat. And as soon as I remember, I will wash it out.
Cheep 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 cheep.
So yeah, let's see how it's gonna go.
Wow. Oh my god. Let me get some lip gloss. Okay. First impressions, my hair feels so good. Like, it is soft. I don't know. It feels kind of light. What's in this shit? But first, I'm going to detangle. I am absolutely loving this. Oh my god. It feels really good. Like,
It has coconut oil and shea butter. Dang, my hair is getting treated today, honey. It is getting all the love. Okay, so I literally have no clue what I'm doing. I don't know if I should wet my hair first or part my hair first. So I'm gonna part it. I don't even know if parting it is the best idea because I don't really want it to have like parts in it, you know? I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. So we're just going to find out. I did watch a couple of videos. I watched BRI HALL, and I can't even remember what the other girl's name was, but BRI started off with dry hair, and then she added her favorite gel. I'm going to be using the Eco Style because that's my favorite. And I'm also going to be using the olive oil foam wrap. Don't look at my nail. It says improves body bounce and no flaking, shine, softens, and detangles. So this is what I want. And if all else fails, I'm just going to put a weave ponytail in.
I don't even know how much to use. That much? You about to find that?
I love how this smells. Gel. This much.
Because I don't want it to be heavy, you know? Or like crispy. So I'm gonna put this. Bree said put it on the ends. She puts hers on the ends. Or she focuses it on the ends. Just run it through like so, like that.
I'm gonna add a little water as well. And then I have some curling rods, different sizes, so I don't even know. I hate not knowing. But we about to figure it out, and we're gonna figure it out together. Like I said, I got a plan B if this shit don't work. I have no idea. Okay, maybe I should start. Okay, curl, okay. I'm gonna start in the middle. In the middle of the rod or the middle of my hair. I'm gonna start in the middle of the rod and at the end of my hair so that I can kind of like overlap it when I curl. But I don't know which way to go. I'm gonna go back this way. Oh. I literally just started and I'm trying not to say fuck it. I don't know.
I just hate to do all this and then I waste my time. That's the only part. Like, I'm okay if it doesn't turn out looking good, but I feel like I just could have spent this time doing something else to my hair, something more easier. But that's why I'm here, because I'm so lazy when it comes to my hair. Like, I really, really, really want to figure this hair out, because I'm always taking the easy route. I really want to do my hair for once. Like in a style, you know? Not like a cool bun or whatnot.
I'm already over it. Okay, so let's some water, get some gel.
And now I'm rushing it. I probably should be taking my time because I just hate. It's already too tedious for me already. Alright, I'm gonna comb it through. Boo boo. Okay. I'm gonna take another rod. Let me start from the top of this one.
Can y'all see that? No. My nail got stuck. Oh my God. Oh. No, I'm making this way harder than it should be. All right. Okay. Okay. I just want to be cute.
It would definitely do it if you put it under the dryer.
You think so?
No, yeah. What are you, foam? That's foam?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's fine.
I watched a BRI Hall video last night. I think she is just so darling. I thought it was really pretty.
You don't want to find that.
And I ain't parting it, so hopefully I can be cute. Cause I just want to look finished, you know? I don't know.
I want to look like I'm supposed to be here.
You stupid. You always do.
No, I don't.
You be, what is the word? Not glossing. You be shining. Girl, I always feel like I'm doing it wrong once I get to the scalp part. Okay, let's get it. I feel like I'm doing it wrong, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, last two sections, and I just want to say I don't feel very confident. I don't know, honey. We gonna see. We gonna see. Like I said. Oh, let me show you my backup weave.
Organics. It's in 30 inches. I paid $11.99, got two of them. So this is what I'm gonna put in my hair. This does not work.
Just like this much, yeah. These hands that you see are brought to you by. And I just know these things.
Getting lazy.
Calvin on a cute shirt today.
We're gonna see how this turns out. I'm gonna put this thing on. I got this from Amazon for, I don't even remember. I think it was like $7, but if not, I'll leave the correct thing on the screen.
It has this heat pole, and we're gonna stick it. I've never used this before, by the way. Oh, and it has tiny holes in it so that, I don't know why, but they're there.
I don't know if it's right. Yes, I do got roller there.
Boo da boo 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 boo, shoo boo, bada bow, gotta wanna more sucker, shoo boo boo boo.
Yeah, so basically I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I guess it has time to fall and still dry up and get poofy because it is technically kind of damp in the middle. I have no idea. I saw Brie curl them like this. But I don't know even if that's right. Help.
Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you do not subscribe yet, go ahead. Alright. See y'all next time. Bye. Bye.